Gondor hamburger patty forming machine. Food-grade stainless steel material. Reduced materials cutting and stable quality. Prevent patties from sticking. Simple and convenient. Easy to operate. Maintains meat texture. Healthy and safe. Put minced meat into bucket. Turn on machine to make meat low. Continuous operation. Dual station synchronized pressing. Obtaining shaped meat patties. Display of finished products. Client feedback.
I'm here in Denmark and I just wanted to tell you about this machine that I bought about a year ago. Yeah, it's been amazing, it's been wonderful.